Alright, James, welcome to 2023, and this time around, we're here to maximize gains deeply with Sport Arbitrage. I know you've been waiting for this moment. I've been waiting for this moment. We've all been waiting for this moment where we continue our Sport Arbitrage journey in 2023, and we're kicking off with full force right about now. Now, we made deep research during the December holidays and January beginning, to make sure that when we are picking a new bookie, this bookie we are picking should be reliable enough. Now, we've ended up working with just two. Right, we've done the test and the likes on our test accounts, and we've seen that yes, these bookies are okay for us to work with this arbitrage. They don't limit your accounts, they give you high limits if you want to look at it that way. Limits of about 10 million naira plus. I believe that's high enough for you to make money. So basically, these two bookies are the bookies we're going to be using: Sportybet and Fixabet. Right, Sportybet and Fixabet. Yeah, you know how to get a Sportybet account, but I think the account you don't have to get is your Fixabet. So for Fixabet, all you have to do is to search out Fixabet.com.ng. Search it out, okay? I can easily get it here. So this is .com.ng Fixabet. Now, when you open it up, I didn't accept the cookies, but no problem. You see your top, you see this part, this is the top part of the screen, okay? Where you see all the slides. Alright, so you click on them, there are usually links attached to them or thereabout. So like this, let me click this, okay? Alright, it's taking me to one of the games for us to stake on. So basically, let me go straight to the point because I'm actually having less than 10 gig of my space free because I have some videos I haven't edited, but I need to make sure you understand this carefully. Now, Fixabet and Sportybet are the two bookies we're going to be using. I'm going to go through a quick overview, okay? Recent winners, people that have won. Wow, somebody won 1 million plus. Akin Danye, that guy should be good. Right, people are already winning games on this and having steady withdrawals. Now, looking at this, first of all, this is what confused me when I got to the site. I was like, why will a game having ratios? Then I remember what my master teacher taught me. Now, when you have 10 ratio 53, using normal logic, there's no other thing that can go through it. And let me use this, for example, 10 ratio 20. Now, let me use this, for example, 10 ratio 20. Los Angeles Lakers versus Miami Heat. Alright, home away, ordinary game, home 10 ratio 20, away 10 ratio 14. This 10 ratio 20, normal way 10 ratio 20, like what is that? Okay, but using master teacher's method, if you cancel out the zeros, it means 1 ratio 2, which means whatever I stake, you get 2 times, or whatever I stake, and that is odd 2. So that's 2 odds. Okay, so this is a game with 2 odds. So if I click on it right now, alright, and how to stake, they'll ask me to log in, alright, which I'll do clearly. Okay, so the same thing with away. This away is 10 ratio 14. So that is 1 ratio 1.4. Just use the 0, cancel the 0, and move back the other way. 1 ratio 1.4. It means you stake 5,000 naira, you get 1.4 times 5,000. That is 1.4 odd. So if you win with away here, make it profit of 7,000 naira. So basically, I'm doing this overview so I can understand the calculations. It's very easy. They usually arrange it with 10 ratio something, 10 ratio something. If there's any different one, can call my attention to it, then we'll do the calculations together. But this 10 ratio something, 10 ratio the other number, I think is okay. Right, 10 ratio 53 means 1 ratio 5.3. So this is 5.3 odds. 10 ratio 40, 1 ratio 4, that is 4 odds. So it's very, very basic. Now, let's go straight up. They have a home blog about affiliate contacts, so you can go through their contents. Right, this is the Gmail account. If you want to contact them, okay, you click on it, go to Gmail and do that. If you want to call, you can call, but that's a foreign number. So if you tend to want to call, you should have enough cards to call them. So basically, let's go straight to how this affects our arbitrage journey. Let me log into my accounts. Alright, I have a testing account, but this is the account that I created specifically for this purpose. So let's jump in right now. I put my username, my password, my code, and I'll log in successfully. I'll see you at the other end. Alright, so after inputting my username and password, I am admin, that's my username, password. Then I've inputted in reCAPTCHA. Just click on remember me so I can get the remembrance of my password without typing again. Then click on login. So successfully, I'll get access to the sites and click on accept. So basically, after accepting this cookie, you can clearly see my balance. I already have 150k already deposited in it. That's it, I'm set for this arbitrage. But I want my arbitrage capital to be 500,000 naira. So basically, I'm using about 250k here, 250k on Sportybet. You can clearly see we're not here to joke. When you're talking about arbitrage, we're not here to joke. Minimum deposit, minimum capital you should have should be 20k, 20,000 naira. Like 10k on Fixabet, 10k on Sportybet. But if you want to make deep money with this unlimited concept, you should be having at least, you're serious for this, at least 100,000 naira to make deep games. 20,000 naira can give you a lot of money in a day. You can earn even close to 1,000 naira on that 20,000 naira in a day. But imagine me that's using 500k as my capital, what my profit is. So that's where the sense is. Okay, the higher capital, the higher your profits. Right. So basically, I'm going to click on these 3 dashes at the top right corner of my screen. It's because I'm using iOS right now. That's why I can't really use my arrows because I don't have arrows to point, right? But this dashes, and then go straight to user menu at the bottom here. User menu. When you click on it, you see your dashboard, your bets, your profile setting, change password, two-factor authentication. That's to make your phone really secured. Okay, no problem. Support tickets in case you have issues, you can question them. Deposit history, you can ask. Okay, you can go there to check your deposit transactions and the rest. Withdrawal history, you can confirm your withdrawals, transactions, referrals, logouts. Okay, now if you come to this deposit history, you want to deposit, because this is where we're interested in depositing. Our main concern with arbitrage is how to deposit, how to stake, how to withdraw. That's it. So I've explained how to stake. All right, this is how to deposit. Okay, how to deposit. Let me click on deposit right now. All right, it's going to show you how to deposit successfully into this transaction. Okay, so I'm going to click. You can see here transaction ID, gateway. I use Tron to deposit for this particular transaction. Tron. You can clearly see cryptocurrency amounts converted. It became 150k and likes. So let me show you how to deposit. Click on deposit now. Since I mentioned how to use 250k here, I'll try to deposit 100k into the same place. Okay, but let me use it to explain better. Okay, I'm waiting for a deposit aspect to load up. Okay, it has loaded up. Yes, there's bank transfer, there's USD BP20, and there's Tron for your deposits. Bank transfer. The reason I don't use bank transfer, okay, look at the limits. Deposit limit 500 naira to 30,000 naira. Right, I can't play with just 30,000 naira. Yeah, good. I can't really use 30,000 naira to do much. Now, if I click on confirm, you should take me to the page. But I want to show you something. Some people will do 30,000. Click on confirm, it show you an error message. Right, it means they don't accept commas here. So make sure when you are inputting your amount, you remove the commas and just go straight. So click on confirm here. Good. Now payment preview 30,000 naira. 30,000 naira. So there's no charge, 0.00 USD charge, no charge, nothing at all. 1 naira is got to 1 naira. So pay exactly 30,000 naira to this account. Right, Fixabet. This is the account for. I think this is their Nigerian account. Yeah, you can make payment to this account for their payments. But look at what you wrote here specifically. Bank transfer deposit is currently limited in Nigeria as we work internationally. Hence, it is advisable you use the cryptocurrency methods. So for me, I like taking advice. I want to use the cryptocurrency method. But if you feel you are still strong enough, you want to use bank transfer, no problem. You can make your payments to this account on your bank transfer app. Alright. If you like, you use USSD, as long as you can see PayPal, Fixabet, no problem. Then choose file. You choose the file from list of files. Alright, just click on choose file. It will take you to your camera aspect, and you click on it clearly. Okay, photo library, take a photo, choose file, photo library. Alright, okay. Let's say this is my receipt, for instance. Make sure it's your receipt. Don't post fake pictures. You end up losing your deposit. You make unnecessary mistakes. So you choose the file. When you choose the file, click on pay now. Okay, I'm not clicking on pay now because I don't want my account to be blocked for no good reason or for doing nonsense. So basically, you click on pay now once you have your receipt there and to process successfully, and that's it for the Naira deposit option. Okay, so let's go back. The one I'm telling you again, I advise you to work with USDT transfer and Tron. If you don't have these cryptocurrencies, you can message me on WhatsApp +234 8055 You will get USDT and Tron from me at friendly rates. When I mean friendly, I mean they're friendly. Right, so don't feel hard to come to my DM. You can always come to my DM for that. And my transactions don't take up to 5 to 10 minutes because I'm swift with them. Okay, now USDT transfer cryptocurrency, click on deposits. You can clearly see 10 million naira highest. The other one starts 1,000, but this one here has 10 million naira. So you can clearly see it makes more sense to use this. So USDT BP20 transfer cryptocurrency. Since I'm working with this, okay, you can work with this or Tron. Tron has lesser net of fees. Is it this? Anyone? Let's just work with this so I can show you. Maybe I'll deposit 50,000 naira with this, and the other 50,000 naira with Tron. So 50,000 naira here, click on confirm. Alright, so I'll wait for it to load up. Oh, I see added the comma, so I clearly see the issue. Alright, so deposits, don't add comma. Go back, click on continue, confirm. Good. Payment, it will convert it to USD. So I'm paying 67.57 USD here. I'll click on pay now. You requested the payment for this. Okay, so I'm going to pay it to this wallet address, this particular wallet address. I'm going to copy the wallet address and make my payment on Binance. Okay, if you don't know how to use payments on Binance app, I think I'll log in with my Android device right now. Let me on the screen record down my Android so we can follow these steps up. I hope you get my point. So good, I've copied this address. I'll send it to myself on my private line, okay, and get it on the other account so I can successfully make payments on Binance. And once I make payments, I'll come back to
right now we are working with
Okay, we are working with our Android device, so we can easily just do this. So when we click on withdraw, we click on withdraw here. So when you click on withdraw, you click on send to crypto network. Please follow the steps. Send to crypto network. You put the wallet address we've copied already. You put already copied the wallet address there. Then you come to this network. See this network aspect to show you to pick the network. Please take notes. It's clearly shown on the screen as you saw earlier. Is BP20. Take note. So you click on it. BP20 is going to charge just 0.3, roughly $0.3. So $0.3 is roughly 200 Naira plus. So that's not even much. Okay, 200 to 250 to deposit. How much does the POS collect? So basically, just click on confirm. I think that's okay for us to work with. The minimum, they said 10 USD is the minimum to deposit. Alright, so it's mentioned that 10 USD is the minimum deposit here. But since I'm using Binance, I'm also safe here. If you are not using Binance, I need to deposit less amount. You have to use another wallet for that. But Binance 10 USD is okay. So 10 USD. I'm going to input my 62 or rather 67.57. I'm saying 67.57 to this account. But network fee is added, so I need to add plus 0.25 to this amount. So 0.86. Right, good. 67.57 will be coming to this account. It's already added the network fees to it already. So sports and funding wallets. Is it available balance? Okay, everything's going well. So click on withdraw. Good. So it's on BP20 and you can click on confirm right now. Let me get my other device set because I'm going to get in the receipt from this quickly. Alright, so the withdrawal is already being processed from Binance. So basically what I'm going to do right now. Alright, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to come to my iPhone phone, alright. Click on choose file. Then click on photo library, take photo, choose library. So I'm clicking on take photo because I'm taking photo right now of the other device. So it's going to show as proof. So this is my proof, use photo. So that is photo there, transaction hash. Now, it's not compulsory to use transaction hash. But if you want to work with it adequately to make sure that you track and your deposit moves very fast, use transaction hash. I have a video on YouTube teaching you how to get transaction hash, okay? You can also go through that video. But I already have my transaction hash copied from my other accounts, okay? So I can easily paste it here shortly. So I'm doing that now. Alright, so basically you've seen how I got my transaction hash, right? So to get your transaction hash is your transaction ID. You just click on the withdrawal history, okay? USDT. You can clearly see me doing this right now. Okay, click on transaction ID, copy it. I'm going to paste it on the iPhone via my connection. So basically I'll send it shortly. Alright, so I've copied transaction ID, that's transaction hash. Then I'll click on paste here. So I'll click on pay now and wait for it to go successfully. So I'll wait for it to go through. Now, what you need to take note, your screenshot should not be very, very high, your space. Right? If you are using screenshot or receipt from your bank, please make sure it's less than 2 MB. Yeah, make sure it's less than 2 MB because that is the space allocated to it. Alright. Now, once this has been done successfully, it will be reflected on your balance that your deposit is successful, giving less than 24 hours. So let's wait patiently. Let's see how this takes. Alright, it's usually fast. Usually under 1 hour, it usually gets accepted. Okay, because when I did mine, it didn't take up to 1 hour. But let's see how long this USDT. Maybe because I use Tron. Where is it? Yeah, I use Tron. I've used Tron, so the same step for Tron. Okay, Tron TRX wallet. You continue. So this is on USDT. So let's see how long it's going to take for this. Alright, so basically it's been since 9:51 AM. Let's see. It's currently 10:13. Alright, it's already complete. Nice. So roughly 22 minutes or thereabouts. It's under 1 hour. Okay, so let's go straight to the home. Alright, this is where I see games. So this is basketball game. This is a football game. I don't know if this is still available. This is a football games. So basically, we'll be maximizing this opportunity. If you click on this, you see these 6 dots at the top right corner. Click on it. So when you click on it, you see the categories: football and basketball games. There's La Liga game. You have the games there, okay? And then you also have English Premier League games. You can clearly see the English Premier League games. They usually have recent games. So NBA, you can see NBA games there and the like. So basically, when you come to this place, I'll give you signals for Sport Arbitrage. Let's say you get an English Premier League game, okay? And you check here, you see home draw away. If you don't see an home draw away signal from me, you click on it, the game you want to play. You check whether it's total odd or total even signal I'm giving to you. If it's total odd or total even signal, remember the odds calculation. Let's do this temp ratio 24, for instance, is 1:2.4, which means 2.4 odds. 10:18 is 1:1.8, which means 1.8 odds. You get the point. So if I click on this, for instance, all right, let me just stake at least 1,000 naira on a random game. So the fact that it's just a video and quit, so I can understand it. So and you put my amount as stake 1,000 naira, it means I'll get 2,400 naira if I win. So you get the point now. 2.4 odds, 1,000 naira stake. Easy logic. So you click on proceed, and it has been staked successfully. So if you want to do bet, this particular bet is showing pending, other bets will be showing placed, entered, and the like. So that's basically it. Right. So if you've not registered, use the link in the description or the link wherever you find the link I give to you, which is simply search out fixabet.com.ng. Make sure you add the .ng, because even Sportybet has sportybet.com/ng. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about when I mention Sportybet. Sportybet.com/ng. You can clearly see it /ng. So basically all these things are still there, but for fixabet.com.ng. So make sure you work with it and we get you on board profits. This is Sport Arbitrage. You can make a lot of money. Make sure you're active and you have to maximize gains. See you in the Signal community and the mentorship segments, and let's keep on crushing these arbitrage opportunities this year. Sign out now, champs. Peace.